Photosynthesis Literature Project by Debbie Banja. $3.9 billion years ago, meteorites bombarded Earth, providing water and other elements. The atmosphere became mostly carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, methane, and ammonia. A few 100,000 years later, the first phototrophs appeared. These anaerobic organisms used hydrogen sulfide as its source of electrons to drive its photosynthetic reactions. Later, we see the first single-celled cyanobacteria evolve to photosynthesize using water as its electron source. These organisms, called stromatolites, are oxygen-producing organisms carrying out the process of photosynthesis by absorbing carbon dioxide and energy from the sunlight. Like plants, it contains chlorophyll to carry out these processes. These organisms thrived in this carbon dioxide-rich environment, and over time they were able to consume most of the CO2 in the atmosphere and produce even more oxygen to make permanent changes. The accumulation of oxygen in the atmosphere consequentially resulted in the formation of an ozone layer, which absorbs 95 to 100% of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. We now see the appearance of diversified organisms that are able to colonize on Earth without being exposed to these damaging rays. The existing organisms accustomed to their carbon dioxide-rich environment went extinct, yet many evolved in order to survive its new conditions. Later comes the evolution of multicellular and eukaryotic-celled organisms from prokaryotic cells. The endosymbiosis theory poses that chloroplasts and mitochondria, which were free-living organisms, were engulfed by the cell through endocytosis. This explains its double membrane and its individual genome. Once cells evolved to contain chloroplasts, organisms conducted photosynthesis the same way plants do today. With light absorbed and passed through the membranes of the chloroplast and thylakoid, light and dark reactions occur, producing oxygen and sugar, as well as the transfer of NADPH and ATP.